1000 LB Sisters Season 8 is already renewed. Tammy and Amy Slaton's next chapter coming soon. The buzz around the hit TLC reality series 1000 LB Sisters is once again dominating social media and entertainment news as fans are desperately wondering if Season 8 is already renewed and what might be insane or for Tammy Slaton and Amy Slaton as they continue their remarkable journeys. The show has built a loyal audience ever since it debuted in 2020 following the Slaton sisters from Kentucky as they fought against extreme obesity while dealing with personal struggles, family drama and health challenges. Over the years, the series has not only been about their weight loss transformation but also about their resilience, relationships and shocking twists that always leave viewer wanting more. Now with the conclusion of Season 7, speculation is running wild about whether TLC has quietly greenlit Season 8. And what kind of stories will unfold in the next chapter of the Slaton saga. Tammy Slaton's arc has been one of the most dramatic in reality TV history as fans watched her go from being bedridden and near death to making a shocking recovery after her bariatric surgery and subsequent rehab in earlier seasons. Many doubted whether Tammy could pull through as she battled food addiction, mobility issues and even multiple hospitalizations. Her health updates became a central focus of the series, and by Season 7 she stunned viewers by showing off an astonishing weight loss and newfound confidence. Her ability to walk, breathe without oxygen support and embrace life again became a symbol of perseverance to fans across the globe. If Season 8 is renewed, fans expect TLC to further highlight Tammy's new lifestyle, her plans for skin removal surgeries and whether romance will once again enter her storyline following the dramatic end of her previous marriage. Meanwhile, Amy Slaton has had her own equally compelling journey. While she underwent successful weight loss surgery earlier in the series, her storyline has largely revolved around becoming a mother. Amy gave birth to 2 sons, and her struggles as a young mom balancing health, weight management and raising children have resonated deeply with audiences. In Season 7, Amy began hinting at wanting more independence and focusing on her own happiness after her difficult split from her husband. Fans believe Season 8 could explore Amy stepping into a new chapter of single motherhood, exploring dating life and potentially moving into new personal and professional goals. With TLC cameras always capturing every intimate moment, Amy's transformation continues to be one of the most anticipated elements of the show. The big question remains, has TLC already renewed Season 8? Official announcements have yet to hit the network's press release page, but insiders suggest that the ratings performance of Season 7 was strong enough to warrant another season. The show continues to trend on TikTok, Twitter and Instagram with hashtags like TeamTammy and Armstrong generating millions of interactions. TLC has a history of waiting until a season wraps before confirming renewals, but in the case of 1000 LB Sisters, the fan demand has been so overwhelming that industry experts believe the network may have already started filming segments for Season 8 without making it official. Fans claim to have spotted camera crews near Dixon, Kentucky, where the sisters live, adding fuel to rumors that production is secretly underway. If 1000 LB Sisters does return, viewer can expect a mix of emotional highs and lows. The Slaton family dynamic has always been unpredictable, whether it's Tammy clashing with siblings over her health choices or Amy struggling with parenting responsibilities. The sisters' half-brother Chris Combs has also become a fan favorite thanks to his humor and determination to improve his own health. He could once again play a big role in Season 8 as fans enjoy seeing his supportive yet sometimes brutally honest interactions with Tammy and Amy. In addition, new characters often emerge from the sisters' expanding circle of friends and love interests, which keeps the show fresh and dramatic. Another major storyline likely to dominate Season 8 is the question of Tammy's romantic future after her marriage to Caleb Willingham ended in tragedy with his passing. Fans have been curious whether Tammy is ready to find love again. Social media speculation exploded recently when she was spotted with new friends, sparking rumors of possible relationships. While Tammy has insisted she is focusing on herself, fans know that her love life often becomes a central piece of drama in the show. Whether or not TLC captures a new romance, the network is likely to dive deeper into Tammy's emotional healing journey, showing how she rebuilds her confidence not just physically but mentally and emotionally as well. Amy, on the other hand, may surprise fans by showing an entirely new side of herself. Season 7 hinted at her wanting to step out of her comfort zone and try new adventures. For years, Amy has been defined by her weight struggles and motherhood challenges, but season 8 could give her a platform to explore career opportunities, partnerships and hobbies that highlight her personality outside of her family obligations. Given her popularity on social media, she might even consider collaborating with brands or launching content of her own. Fans who have followed Amy on YouTube know she has always had a flair for connecting with audiences directly, and that could become part of her storyline. In addition to personal transformations, viewer can expect more drama within the extended family. Tammy and Amy's sisters Mishti and Amanda have often stirred the pot with their blunt honesty. Amanda in particular has been known to bring tough love and sharp commentary that fans love to watch. With season 8 on the horizon, producers will almost certainly continue to feature Amanda's fierce personality, which often SHs with Tammy but ultimately shows her deep care for her sister's health. The family dynamic has always been one of the biggest drivers of the show's success, and TLC knows fans tune in as much for the explosive arguments as for the heartfelt reconciliations. As fans eagerly wait for official confirmation, the internet is buzzing with predictions of what season 8 might bring. Some believe Tammy may finally undergo skin removal surgery now that she has lost hundreds of pounds, which would mark another massive transformation moment. Others speculate Amy may move way into a new home to give her children a fresh start while continuing her weight management goals. TLC's production team is known for building suspense and holding back big announcements until closer to premiere dates, so it's possible an official trailer could drop suddenly, catching fans off guard and setting the internet on fire. The cultural impact of 1000 LB Sisters also cannot be overstated. The show has sparked important conversations about obesity, healthcare, and the emotional struggles tied to food addiction. It has also highlighted the importance of family support systems and how difficult it can be to change when generational patterns exist. By season 8, the sisters are no longer just reality TV stars, they have become cultural icons whose stories inspire countless viewers struggling with their own health and personal issues. TLC will likely continue to balance the entertainment factor with meaningful life lessons, ensuring that the show remains both dramatic and relatable. Looking ahead, fans know that TLC tends to keep successful shows running as long as ratings stay strong and storylines remain engaging. With Tammy and Amy both in periods of major transition, the timing is perfect. For another season, the network thrives on capturing milestones and cliffhangers, and both sisters are at pivotal points in their lives that guarantee compelling television. Whether it's Tammy's next surgery, Amy's journey as a single mom, Chris's determination to stay on track, or Amanda's fiery personality, season 8 promises to deliver everything fans love about the series. Until an official announcement drops, speculation will continue, but one thing is certain: the Slayton sisters story is far from over, and TLC has every reason to keep the cameras rolling. 1000 LB Sisters season 8, if confirmed, will not only showcase physical transformations but also emotional resilience, heartbreak, new beginnings, and perhaps even shocking surprises that no one sees coming. For fans who have been invested since the very first season, the possibility of another chapter is both thrilling and emotional. The anticipation is proof that Tammy and Amy have become more than reality stars. They are real people whose lives continue to resonate with millions around the world. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.